How to activate Chase Freedom credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about activating the Chase Freedom credit card account. So first of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and go to chase.com/personal/creditcards/freedom.com. First of all, you have to log into your Chase Freedom credit card account. And once you have applied and been approved for a credit card offer, your new card should arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Your credit card will come in a sealed envelope along with instructions on how to verify the receipt of your card if needed. You might also receive the instructions for activating the card. If the activation is required for your credit card, you will have various methods to choose from, such as over the phone or through the credit issuer's mobile app. Your credit card may also come with a cardholder agreement that you should carefully read to understand your interest rate, available perks and rewards, and details on enrolling in an online account, setting up autopay, and receiving alert messages. There are two common methods to verify or activate your card quickly. The first method is to call the number on the card. Look for the sticker on your credit card with the activation over the phone by dialing a toll-free number and following the instructions from an automated voice operator. You might need to enter your credit card number or a secure PIN over the phone to complete the verification. And the second method is online activation. The sticker on your credit card may have a secure website link to activate your card. Once on the website, follow the provided instructions, which may involve verifying your credit card number and answering your security questions. You can usually start using your credit card right after verifying the receipt or activating it. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.